What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Discord installation has failed error and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is just go over here, search for the run command, and you have to click on the run command like this. And right now instead of the %local app data, just type %local app data and go for OK. And right now that will take you to this. And right now get into the folder named Discord and you have to get into this. And now from here what we need to do is you have to just go back. You should not be getting to this folder. Right click on this one, go for the trash icon and delete it. Once the delete is successfully done, just go back once again, search for the run command and you have to click on this one. And right now instead of the %local app data, what we need to do is we need to type %app data % and press enter. That will take you to this once again. So get into the folder named Discord over here. Right click on the Discord, right click on this one and go for the trash icon. And once it is deleted, we need to move to the next one. That is all about just go over here, search for the settings and click on the settings and navigate to over here. You have to get into network and internet. And right now we need to get into the VPN. So if the game is already, for example, if the Discord is added, if the VPN is turned on, we need to turn off the VPN. If it is connected, disconnect the VPN. Once the VPN is successfully disconnected, we just need to close this and we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the task manager over here. And we need to click on this one. And right now we need to expand this, go over here. So if you find the Discord is running, or you can search here for the Discord, just search here for the Discord. So if you find the Discord running, just remove the Discord from the background if it's running. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about, we need to download the Discord from the Google Chrome. So always make sure to have it that you should be downloading it from the Google Chrome. Search for the Discord and you have to click on download. Just search for the Discord download. So get into this. Download the Discord. For me, the Discord is available right now, so I have already downloaded it. Once the Discord is successfully downloaded, right click on this one. Make sure that you put a check over here on this one, that you have to go to the compatibility. And right now go over here in the compatibility, and over here as you can see, just get into the compatibility over here. And now I'm getting an error, so I have to put a space. So I think it's an error I'm getting. So what I need to do is just make sure run the Discord as an administrator. When we go to show more options, go to the properties. If you go to the compatibility, you have to put a check on both. Run this program. You have to put a check on both thing. That means run as administrator and disable full screen optimization. Next one, we need to go over here, search for add or remove programs. Just click on this one. And if you find the Discord over here, just search here for the Discord. Let me search here for the Discord and you have to click on three-dot menu and go for uninstall and you have to reinstall it back. That's what you have to try. Next one, apart from this is all about, just go over here, search for the services. Over here, click on the services. And right now we need to scroll down and navigate to one thing called Windows Installer. So just here search for Windows Installer. And from here we have to search for the Windows Installer. And right now if you scroll down over here, you can just keep scrolling down, and if you find something called Windows Installer, if you find for example Windows Installer, right click on this one, go to the properties, and right now as you can see the service status is stopped, so go for start and make sure it is running. Once it is running, just close this as well, close everything. So once everything is successfully closed over here, you have to close this and we have to move to the next step, the last and the least step. So make sure Windows is up to date as well. So just go over here, search for the settings and click on the Windows update and make sure the Windows is up to date. So if the Windows is up to date, you're fine with it, and these are the steps, and that's what you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.